Did you know that one of the reasons smokers feel calmer and more relaxed when they go out for a smoke is because that is actually the time when they take a deep breath? That's right, taking deep breaths increases both oxygen and the flow of blood to the heart, lungs, and brain. I want you to right now take a moment and take a deep breath with me. And another one. One more. Oh, yeah. If you did it like me, you, like most people, did it wrong. When you were a child, or if you have young children today, you would have noticed that it's cute how when they breathe, their tummy goes in and out. Their shoulders don't go up the way we do these days. Their chest doesn't puff out when they take a deep breath. This is something we do as adults. Kids breathe the correct way. Their tummy goes in and out. They breathe in deeper. Kids breathe correctly. Somehow as adults, we've messed it up. So I want us to go back to breathing like when we were kids, the correct way. Here's what I'd like you to do. Put your hand just under your rib cage. Now take a deep breath in without moving your shoulders, without puffing out your chest. Consciously breathe to take the air into your tummy. So make sure that your shoulder doesn't go up. Make sure that your chest doesn't pop out. You want to make sure the air goes in completely into your tummy. When you're breathing in, you really want to just make sure that your tummy is sticking out. You're really taking that air deep in. So breathe in through your nose because the air is smoother this way. Hold it for a few seconds and then breathe out. Let's try it. You need to be able to feel your hand move. Put your hand under your ribcage and make sure that you're feeling your tummy expand. That, my friend, is the correct way to breathe because you've been doing it wrong for long. It's important that you consciously correct yourself to this way of breathing. It will take effort, and with time, it will become the way you breathe. I rephrase, you must make it the way you breathe. Until it does, you must be conscious of it. You must practice consciously to breathe correctly. Why am I telling you about breathing correctly? Well, many professionals at the thought of having to stand up and speak or deliver a presentation, you know it, get anxious, stressed, tense, stiff neck, dry mouth, croaky throat, the whole works. When I was growing up and I would stress out, Mama would tell me, Kev, stop. Take 10 deep and slow breaths. If you're sitting down, I want you to stand up and take 10 deep breaths with me. I'll do it with you. Whee! So I would do this 10 breaths like I did with you right now, and Mama would then say, okay, Kev, now go on and take the world. I know what you might be thinking. I thought the same at the beginning. What's this breathing thing have to do with getting rid of my speaking nerves? What's this bullshit? In its simplest form, when you take 10 long and deep breaths, what you do is you fill your heart, your lungs, and your brain with oxygen. and oxygen is good. I don't know about you, but just doing it with you made me feel even better. You will sense everything slow down, like you see in the movies, and you begin to feel relaxed. If you were to come to my home, my mama would treat you the same way she treats me and my brothers. You become one of the family. Everyone is treated equally to the love and might of my mama. And so if she saw you that you're stressed out, she would tell you exactly the same thing. Stop, take 10 deep and long breaths. It only takes 2 minutes, but it makes all the difference. Again, I know that what I've shared with you sounds simple. It's a simple strategy that has helped many of my CEO clients become calm and commanding. Yes, just the fact that they're breathing correctly. They become calmer and more commanding. If you don't believe me, all you have to do is do it and try it out. Focus on breathing correctly, consciously, and consistently. It will reward you beyond what you believe or realize today. This is a fundamental element to helping you become cool, calm, and commanding when you communicate with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Don't dismiss this super simple strategy. Remember to trust my process. It's proven. Take a long and deep breath. Let's continue.